Hello amazing person, welcome or welcome back to the channel. So I recently shared a video on how you can upload the right way to YouTube. No, not from your YouTube app, but from your YouTube Studio desktop site. And I find out that lots of growing creators like me, okay, when they want to upload their videos, when they upload through the YouTube Studio desktop site, they immediately make their YouTube video public. Like, why are you doing that? Like, it's not wrong, trust me, it is not a wrong thing to do. There is a better way for you to make your video go public, and YouTube is going to know the right audience to push that your video to. Stay with me in this video because I'll be spilling everything. The truth of the matter is that I used to do that. You know, I'll always come out here playing. Like, this channel is about me growing and also you growing. Whatever helpful tips I find, I will still come on here to tell you. So yes, I used to immediately upload my video to YouTube, I make it public, like let me go up. It's not the right thing to do. Now there are 4 options in the visibility part: the public, the members only, the unlisted, the schedule, and the private. I'm going to tell you the best option you should use whenever you want to upload your video to YouTube. Like, this way YouTube knows the right audience before that video even goes public, before anybody or your audience gets to see that video. YouTube has already figured out the audience that video was made for. Stay with me and I will show you in this video. First option is the public. Okay, see, making your video public, I'm not saying it's bad, it's not bad, but one thing you should have at the back of your mind is that making your video public does not give YouTube time to analyze your content. Also, if your audience are not online and you make your video public, like, you might miss out on a very critical engagement on your video. The second option I'll be talking about is the private option. Putting your video on private, this means that nobody will see your video and you can only share your video link to anybody you choose to. But know that the YouTube algorithm doesn't push private videos. The third option I'll be talking about is the members only video. Like, this is for people who are already monetized. Okay, if you're already monetized, you should know what I'm talking about, where you make a video and you share it to only members, so everybody can actually see that video, but only your members can get to watch that video. Now the fourth option I'll be talking about is the unlisted. So this is what I used to do before. I'll just upload my video and leave it on unlisted until I realize that those videos on unlisted, YouTube does not push it to a broader audience. Not that YouTube doesn't recommend or pushes the video, but it doesn't go that far as the next option I'll be talking about. The best option and the one I'll recommend for you to do is to always schedule your video. Yes, make sure you schedule your video, even if it's for 15 minutes, even if it's for 20 minutes, please schedule that video. Now, when you do the scheduling, okay, YouTube has the time to analyze that video. It has the time to process that video. YouTube has the time to know the right audience to push that your video to. Now, all of this happens before that video goes live. Now, YouTube is going to go through your tags, it's going to go through your thumbnail, your description, and even the metadata of that video. And it knows exactly what to do. It knows the right audience that would be the perfect match for that video. You know, YouTube is about matchmaking, right? Pairing viewers to content they might likely watch or they will love. Now, for all those creators that already know when their audience are online or when their audience are online the most, now you can schedule that video to those times. Exactly. If your audience are always online by 10 p.m, you can schedule your video to go live on its own by that 10 p.m. You don't need to do anything. Once you're done scheduling, you put the time, you put the date that you want that video to go live. YouTube automatically makes that video go live. You don't even need to stress. You don't even need to be online. You don't even need to be on YouTube. Exactly. That is exactly how this scheduling works. When you do that, okay, when you schedule and upload a video when your audience are online, it increases the engagement. You know, the YouTube algorithm loves engagement a whole lot. So when you do that, people get to engage more with your content, hereby boosting your click-through rate, your average duration view, and making YouTube push that your video to a broader audience. Also, when you schedule your video, you have more time to finalize, like, your thumbnail, your description, how your video format is, and all of that, your title and all of that. It gives you more time. If you want to change your title, if you want to change the description, you want to add more things, you scheduling your video gives you more time. But do not get me wrong, even if your video has gone live, even if people are already watching your video, trust me, you can still do those edits. You can still change your title if you want. You can still change or add things in the description. Have this at the back of your mind. A well optimized video has a very high tendency of performing better in terms of search and in terms of recommendations. You can schedule your video from 15 minutes from your upload to even 10 years. Yes, you heard me right. You can schedule your video to 10 years in advance. Exactly. Yes, you can do that. Now, for you to schedule your video, all you have to do is to choose the particular date and the particular time that you want. As you can see on the screen, you can change the time to either AM or PM depending on your time zone. Now, I always advise you work with your own time zone. YouTube is going to show that video to your viewers in their respective time zones. There's one thing I do. I check my analytics. Very, very important as a growing YouTuber. Your analytics, where your viewers are coming from or where your audience are. For me, my audience are mainly the USA, Indians, Canada, Nigeria, Kenya, and the UK. Yes. Now, what I do is I try to make sure I upload at a time that I know that it will be convenient for these countries, because I know we are not on the same time zone. Now, this differs from channel to channel. My audience and yours cannot be the same. Okay, now I know aside scheduling your video or aside uploading your video, there are other challenges growing creators are facing. One of them is how to reach your 4,000 watch hour. See, I have a video on your screen. This particular video is how you can hit your 4,000 watch hour in 3 days. Yes, you heard me right. It is very possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, I hope it was helpful. Click on the videos on your screen, watch, and I'll definitely see you in one of those videos.